What is up, guys? It's Motovlog day. I'm happy to be out here. I'm on my way to the gas station. I am so excited to be out here. Oh, I missed it. As you can see in front of me, though, it does look like it's about to snow, but the weather says it's not going to, and the roads are fine, so we're just gonna go with that. I don't have a lot to talk about in this motovlog. I just kind of wanted to get out. I was just FaceTiming my brother. Shout out to my brother. We were FaceTiming while I was cleaning the bike because it had, you know, a little dirty. But the Pro Bowl's going on right now. That's interesting. People probably think I'm nuts. It's like 30 degrees out here, but man, I'm just so excited. Another thing I did, if you remember way back when I first got these music headset things, I was always like, it's really quiet. But what I did is I put the risers on the speakers, so it makes the risers or the speakers closer to my ear, and let me tell you, that is a world of difference. It really is. It helps a lot, like no joke. I can actually hear my music now, but I need to go to the gas station and put a couple bucks in here. I'm at 209 miles, so yeah, I'm a little low on gas. Yeah, I need some gas, but I want to ride around a little bit before it starts to snow. We actually had a pretty bad snowstorm. It was like a foot, I think. It was so bad school got canceled, and school never gets canceled here, like ever. Literally ever. Oh, great. I love red lights. Fantastic. I'm so excited. My gas tank is like a fucking icicle right here in my legs here. Right here. Woo, that's chilly. Oh, you want to know another thing I did? Let me turn down my music because I'm screaming. You want to know another thing I did? I bought a fucking massage gun. Let me tell you, if y'all don't own a massage gun, oh my God. I've always wanted a massage gun, and I decided to buy one. Let me tell you, it is the best purchase I've ever made in my entire life. No joke. I tell you, it's sitting right here. You need one of these, you know what I'm saying? We'll crank that bitch all the way up. We'll crank it to 30. Put it on your leg like this. Oh, like that. Oh, I just did leg day. Oh, right there, or in your chest right here. Oh gosh. Y'all need one, I'm telling you. I hope there's no ice at this gas station because, you know, if you remember last video, you remember what the hell happened. So if I see any black ice, I'm not going to this one because I gotta really be careful of side roads, like bad, you know what I'm saying? Oh, we're chilling. There's no ice. Look how dry it is. Whoa, wait, never mind, there is some ice. Just leaving though, so I just can't go that way. I'm just gonna have to back out of here. Alright, let's put some gas in this bitch. Alright, we just put some gas in. I didn't know I was recording that whole time, but that sucks. Kind of like a flashback to when I went into Bass Pro for 3.5 hours and left my camera recording when I was gonna do a motovlog. That fucking sucked. I think what I kind of want to do is some highway. I don't know. I just have to be careful with these roads because I don't know which, you know, are bad. But I'm gonna record leaving here just in case, you know. You never know. Let's do the smart thing since there's ice right there and just back out of this place. Let's do the smart thing, you know? It doesn't hurt to be smart every once in a while, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not the smartest person ever, but when I see ice, now I'm gonna be careful. Yeah, I think I kind of want to go on the highway, but maybe we'll hit Colfax. I don't know. I'm scared. Nice, we made the light though. Yeah, let's get back on Colfax. Oh my God. If I even can. If I can merge, you know what I mean? Let's see. After this car, I can. Woo! All right. Oh man. I'm just happy to be out riding again. I cannot wait for summertime. Buy a new tire, get some new grips, you know what I mean? Oh, it's just a ticking time bomb. It's February. If I don't make another motovlog by then, happy Valentine's Day. I hope you had a good one. I'm gonna be in my bed crying, but that's okay. It's all right to cry. Let's see here. Yeah, let's just stick to Colfax and just do some street riding because I don't want to be out too long because I do want to watch some of the Pro Bowl, even though, you know, it's basically a fake football game. But if you can't tell, like I've said before, it's freezing. Every time I take a big breath, my visor fogs. So yeah, that's great. But while I'm sitting here, if you do want to see more of me, you know, I've mentioned it before, I have a gaming channel. So go check that out, Dylan6563 Games, if you want to watch some gaming content. It's really good, I like to think. Woo! Oh, it's so much fun. Anyway, so I'm going to try and show you and explain my my handle situation. So watch, right now, it won't get stuck. See, it slows me down. And it does that up until, like, basically full throttle. Like, full throttle is basically, like, the cutoff. It's kind of hard to explain, but right now, see, watch. I'm slowing down. And there's no, you know, I got a downshift. But there's no, like, I don't know, it's hard to explain. It's like, it's like, it doesn't get stuck until a certain amount. But when you're not riding and you're just, like, sitting in the driveway, yeah, it gets stuck, and I don't know why. I don't know why. Woo! Oh my god, it's so much fun. This dude in front of me has had his blinker on for, like, the past mile and a half. I hate people like that. Turn off your blinker! I need to get over. See, I'm actually getting over. Use your blinker and actually get over. You know what I'm saying? Look at this car in front of me. It says Challenger 50. That's pretty sick. He's going extremely fucking slow. Extremely slow, and I don't know why. But, you know, maybe he just wants to cruise. Gets a fast car and just wants to go slow. You know? I respect it. I respect it. Just cruising, man. That's what I'm doing. I'm just listening to music and cruising. That's why I'm not motovlogging much, because I don't really know what to motovlog. You know what I'm saying? I'm just cruising, having a good time out here. That's all I'm doing. In the fucking map. Okay, young Dolph. Listen, my hands are cold. My hands are really cold. I'm probably gonna find a spot to pull over. Here's that Charger. It's beautiful. Yeah, I'm probably gonna find a spot to flip a bitch here in a minute, because my pinky's getting kind of numb. You ready? Little pull. Little pull. Woo! You know what? Cycle gear is down here. Should I go to cycle gear and see how much handlebars are? I kind of want to. Man, I should, huh? I mean, I'm already close enough. I think I will. Yeah, I think I will. Maybe. We'll see how their parking lot looks. I actually just came across another motorcycle. I wasn't filming. I don't know what it was, but I'm not the only one out. Ooh, see, I'm glad I wasn't in that fucking lane. Did you see that shit? Woo! That was like ice. Yeah. So I'm not the only one out. At least that's nice to know. I'm not the only one. I really think cycle gear is open. I hope so. Yeah, let's go there. Fuck it, let's go. There's a bunch of cops right here. Damn, there's 4 of them motherfuckers. Damn, they are looking in that bitch. Oh, that sucks. Alright, we're coming up on it, I think. It should be like right up here. But if I see any sign of like ice, I'm not doing it. No, I refuse to do that. It's right here. Yeah, that's icy as fuck.
No shot.
No shot. No. It's not worth the risk. It's not worth the risk. It is not worth the risk. I do have to get over though. I have to get all the way over. Damn, I was gonna flip a bitch here. That kind of sucks, man. I really did want to go to cycle gear, but no, it's not worth driving the bike and causing more damage to go look at something that I could, you know, eventually get on eBay. So I'll probably just start heading back to the house. I don't know how much I'm gonna film, because I just want to just jam out and chill, you know what I mean? I think I'm getting ready to get a green light, hopefully. Please give me the green motherfucking light. Yes, there we go. All right. There's a limo in Walmart. This is actually the road you take to, what's it called? Raising Cane's. Yeah, Raising Cane's, dude. All right, I need to find a spot to turn the fuck around. Here we go. Nice. Beautiful, nice Subaru, bug eye. Beautiful. All right, now we'll just go in here, turn around in here, and come back out. As easy as that, right? Should be. Actually, we'll park in here for a minute. We'll let my hands heat back up. Yeah, we'll let my hands heat up. That sounds like a good fucking idea. Because my hands are numb. All right, we're just leaving there. I keep forgetting to turn off my fucking camera. Let's try to beat this car. Oh, my hands are a little bit warmer. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I just want to ride and enjoy the ride. So if you enjoyed this short little motovlog, please make sure to subscribe, comment, share with a friend. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Later.